Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I am reviewing flight UK 692 from Amritsar to New Delhi. And before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, this is an excellent flight by Vistara, I would say, because cleanliness, maintenance, everything, I do not find any issue at all. And if you see here in front of me, you have a USB charging port as well, where you can use the services to charge your devices. Moreover, they have provided this Vistara World in-flight entertainment, where you can go and you can access to TV, movies, and lot of other things. So in this way, they have really upgraded themselves, and also they provide food and water as well. Like you get bottles like this. Okay, so this is really good, and the flight was on time, no doubt. So it's and moreover the cost is also not expensive, and like it's comparable to other airlines. So it is really better to travel in this airline. Coming to the boarding was also on time. There was no issue at all, and whoever needed additional services, they were provided. So like if you, and moreover the travel time is like just 45 minutes. Just a few minutes back our pilot made an announcement that we'll be landing in 25 minutes. So it is really good, and you can always give it a try. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.